First and foremost, I want to extend our deepest appreciation to the incredible community that has made this vision a reality. Your unwavering commitment to investing in our children is truly inspiring. And it's because of your dedication and support that we are able to gather here.
Vel Phillips Middle School really signals the new start for middle schoolers on the north side. So we have Webster Middle School and Merrill Middle School that combined to make Vel Phillips Middle School. We spent a lot of time bringing the staffs and students together. When we're bringing two cultures together, we want to make sure that everything that we have within this building is a symbolization of a new future. And that's why we have the Rising Phoenix as our mascot here at Vel Phillips, and just really excited to be able to see what the future holds, not only for our current middle schoolers, but for middle school students on the north side for generations to come.
I have heard from staff and students that this has been a tremendously positive impact for our community, for especially for the students, that they are able to have learning spaces that are so conducive to learning, to growing, to thriving, and not just existing. They are being challenged every day to learn more, to appreciate more, and to really become team members of this school and community.
To me, the opening of Vel Phillips is an actual standing testament to our community's belief that all of our children matter, that all of our children deserve the very best that we have to offer, and that we see them here, and that they're important to us and they matter here.
I feel like a lot of people are like getting to know each other now that like the school year is like progressing. And honestly, I've seen a lot more like friend groups that have people from different schools. And honestly, everybody's really nice. And I love talking to people. So it's really nice to like be able to get out there, meet new teachers too, and have so many more opportunities in the school.
Having great schools are so important for our community because it helps drive economic development and allows us to have excellence in our teaching. Anytime that we have modern teaching techniques, we're able to incorporate the latest and greatest of technology and learning for all of our students.
My favorite part would probably be the pods. They did like a really nice job setting it up. So like in between class, you can like chat with your friends, sit down, do whatever, and it's just really spaced out good. And all the classes are really close, which is a big, nice step from what it used to be.
My favorite part of the school, personally, is the orchestra room. Because last year we had to share it with choir, but this year we have our own place, which is pretty nice.
It's a special education room, and it has some wonderful equipment and furniture that I've never seen before. And I used to work in elementary schools. I've been watching the whole building being built because I live so close, but it's just really amazing. It's just a fantastic place.
I come here and I see what you guys have done. This is miraculous. It's astounding. This space, the thought that's gone into it. I'm almost speechless for it.
But I just want to say thank you to the Oshkosh community. We had a great event for the dedication of Vel Phillips Middle School, and really excited to be able to celebrate this building with the entire community because it is a community school. We always have our students first at the heart of everything that we do, but we know that these buildings are generational buildings and really belong to the taxpayers. So thank you all for coming out. It was such a great event to be able to see everybody, to be able to get them in the buildings, get our community members in the buildings, and to be able to show off the talents of our students. It was just a great opportunity for us to be able to celebrate Oshkosh in the great trajectory that we're headed. So thank you everyone for coming out.